Now that we've talked about how important it is to structure your group meetings, the next thing on our list is issues. These are issues that crop up in group meetings. The first one is called groupthink. Now, I had to put groupthink bad because a lot of my students will think, oh, groupthink, it means we're thinking like a team, right? Team spirit, yay! No, no, this is where it goes too far. This is where you are actually sacrificing effectiveness in order to preserve harmony. So people in the group will realize the group is going down a bad path, but nobody is willing to speak up because nobody wants to hurt anybody's feelings. Remember when I said maintenance is as important as the focus on the task? That's true, but maintenance communication is not more important than focusing on the task. Yes, you have to be able to get along, but you also have to be able to accomplish the task and accomplish it effectively. So sometimes you have to be able to disagree diplomatically in order to keep the group from making a bad decision or going down a bad path. Some groups will set up an actual devil's advocate, and their job is just to poke holes in everything, and nobody takes it personally because they know this person is just doing the job to keep the group from accidentally making a bad decision. Now that's kind of the dark side of working in groups, that sometimes you can end up with the group making a bad decision, and you'll find out later everybody thought it was a bad decision, but nobody was willing to speak up. Nobody wanted to rock the boat. The bright side of working in groups, on the other hand, is something called synergy. Synergy is good. Synergy is a combination of two words, synchronized energy. So imagine you have a group of basketball players on the court, and they're all just milling around doing their own thing. They are not coordinated at all. Well, you have energy, but it's not synchronized. But then, if you take that group of basketball players and you assign each of them a role to play within the framework of an actual basketball team in an actual basketball game, well, now you have synchronized energy. You have synergy. You have an actual basketball game. You'll see the concept of synergy in physics. You'll see it in chemistry. We talk about it a lot in business communication. Synergy is where the whole is greater than the sum of the parts. To look at it on a very simple level, if I have a rock and a plank, and they are next to each other, I do have the sum of the parts, but all I have is a rock and a plank. But if I put the plank on the rock in such a way that I create a lever, well, now I have a whole lever that can accomplish things that just the rock and the plank by themselves could not accomplish. Whenever you're working in a group, ask yourself, what can we do as a group that one person all by themselves could not do? Try to take advantage of synergy. Those are the 7 secrets for successful group sessions: maintenance, timing, goals, facilitation, communication, structure, and issues. If you use these secrets when you're working in your group projects, you will have a more effective group project and you'll have a better time doing it.